Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Notebooklm for Spotify Podcast. To get started, open Notebooklm in your browser. This is where you'll bring in your podcast source and explore the built-in tools that can help you organize and shape your content. Once the site is open, take a moment to make sure you're on the main workspace so you can follow along smoothly. Next, copy the sample Spotify podcast link from your resources. This link will act as the source material for your notebook, so be sure you copy the full URL before moving on. Having it ready in advance will make the next steps faster and easier. Now look to the top right area of the screen for the Create New option. This is where you start a fresh notebook. When you find it, click Create New to open a new workspace. This gives Notebooklm a place to store and process the podcast source you're about to add. Once the new notebook opens, paste the Spotify link into the source field. Make sure the link is entered correctly, since Notebooklm needs a valid source in order to pull in the content properly. After pasting it, click the arrow forward button to continue. This tells the platform to begin processing the link and preparing it for use inside your notebook. After the link has been entered, you may see a suggestion appear. Go ahead and click the suggestion that best fits your creation. This can help Notebooklm shape the content in a more useful way and may save you time when organizing or developing your project. It's a helpful feature, especially if you want a cleaner starting point. From there, move to the top right area again and click Audio Overview. This is the section to use when you want to work with the audio-focused side of the content. It can help you review the material in a format that feels more aligned with podcast production and editing. Next, click on Slide Deck. This gives you another way to view or structure the content, which can be useful if you want a more visual overview of the material before turning it into something polished. Finally, click Video Overview. This lets you explore the content in yet another format, giving you additional perspective as you build or refine your Spotify podcast workflow in Notebooklm. That's the full process. If you take it step by step, it's a simple way to bring in a Spotify podcast link and begin working with it inside Notebooklm using audio, slide, and video overview tools.